Alright, this is step 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to click sign up after you've gone to weebly.com. You're going to type in your name. You're going to type in your actual EFC email. I'm making one up at the moment because I already have one account, but I'm showing you how to do it. But this should be your EFC email and your EFC password. And then you're going to click I agree, and then down below you're going to click continue. Already, so I need to do that. I'm not going to click this part right here. I'm going to click Try Weebly Websites. And then going to click Portfolio, and I'm going to click this second one. It's called Modus Operandi. This pops up where it's not found, but I'm just going to click Start Editing. And once it loads, I'm going to type in my first and last name, and I'm going to click Search. Now for me, this is not available because I already have a website, so you will just create another option if that happens for you as well, but it should just be your name and first name, your first and last name. So I'm going to search again. Now I'm able to choose this very last option, which is the one that I want. And I am done with this step.